Buongiorno a tutti and welcome back everybody. Today I'm gonna show you the cantucci. Buongiorno a tutti, welcome back everybody. Today I'm gonna show you a traditional biscuit from Tuscany, the cantucci, that everyone in the world they call it biscotti. I don't know why, because biscotti in Italy is this one. But anyway, let me show you. Begin whisking the soft butter, room temperature butter, with some caster sugar. Once the butter and the sugar are well whipped, we can add the eggs. And now it's the time to add flour, baking and salt. Now that everything is well mixed, we can add our almond skin on. Otherwise, you can change with drop of chocolate or any dry fruit. Now that our mix is ready, so we can put in a piping bag and we're gonna cook them in the oven. And after, we're gonna cut it and toast it.
di solito questa parte si apre, quindi rimane qua.
Our cantucci are ready, or biscotti if you want to call it biscotti, to be dipped in the vin santo. Enjoy! So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.